Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the garage. So I'm in the garage. I'm working on my Yz250fx. This is a 2022. I've had this for 8 or 9 months. I've really enjoyed the bike. It's been a lot of fun. This thing just absolutely rips. It's a great bike. One of the mods I've been wanting to do for a while is I wanted to get a new exhaust for this, mainly because of the spark arrestor. So when you're riding on public lands, you need to use a spark arrestor as to avoid any kind of igniting of any of the brush or trees on fire with these bikes. So you can get an adapter to put in there, but it's really just easier to get a whole new exhaust. So I got a new exhaust order. I've been kind of looking at this one for a while. It's been out of stock for a while, and finally was able to order it. I got it in today. So before I get the new exhaust on and show you that, I want to just give you kind of some idea on the sound, on how the stock exhaust sounds, and that way we can kind of do a comparison, stock versus the FMF exhaust that we got on here. So here's the new exhaust. Let's get this thing opened up. Shouldn't be too involved. These slip-on exhausts are actually pretty easy to install, so installation is not going to be that hard. All right, this is the 4.1 RCT titanium anodized with the carbon fiber cap on the end. Let's get this thing opened up. Oh man, look at that thing. Look at that thing, dude. Check out this carbon tip. That thing is awesome. That thing looks bad. I thought this style, this look with the blue, the carbon fiber tip, I thought it would look awesome on this bike with it being mostly blue and black. And then I also have some carbon fiber. You see how I have carbon fiber exhaust guards on there? I removed the stock exhaust guards, put those on there. I thought that looked pretty cool. There's going to be some weight reduction. This is going to be lighter than the factory one, so there'll be a little weight reduction. You can see inside there it does have the spark arrestor. All right, first step, I'm just going to remove this rear plastic piece, and just by removing a couple of these bolts here, a lot of these are either 10 or 8 millimeters. That's a 10 millimeter there. That one's a 10 millimeter there. All right. And then the exhaust, there's just a 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here. That's all that's holding it on the brackets. And then this is a 10 millimeter holding the clamping the two exhaust pieces together. I do need to remove this piece right here. So this is an aftermarket piece. I just need to loosen this up to be able to slip off the old exhaust. So I just loosen this clamp here. That actually comes apart like that. And so what I think I'll do is I'll just have the new one slip in. So what we'll do is let's loosen up this clamp that's holding the exhaust tight. Loosen that up first. Now one thing, just a quick side note, to install this carbon guard, this is made by P3, it's the carbon fiber exhaust guard. This is on the right side of the bike. But you actually have to grind off the old, there's a metal guard that comes on here from the factory. You actually have to grind it off of the band of this clamp so that you can put this new one on. Okay, so the clamp, you can just move out of the way. This other clamp will leave, the other clamp will just kind of hang there because it's connected to this part of the exhaust guard. So when we pull it off, that'll just come out of there. All right, this one here is our exhaust hanger. We'll get that one unscrewed. And then this top hanger bolt, this is all 10 millimeters. So that actually makes it really pretty easy. Twist it and it comes off. There's our factory exhaust. This grommet looks like it actually comes off because the new exhaust has a big hole there, so we should be able to reuse this grommet here. All right, size comparison. You can see the factory one is it's a lot thicker up in this area here than the FMF. So the FMF is a little more narrower. So see how this has the hole for this grommet here. So we're just going to push this grommet out. Looks like it just pushes out. I'm just going to push that out and then put it back into the other one. Get a screwdriver and push that out. We'll just transfer it over to the new one. All right, I'm taking out this red plug. I'm going to slip this down through. I'm just kind of twist. A little give to it, so I want to line this one up here. All right, just got it into position enough to get this middle bolt into place. Have to twist it a little bit, push it up a little bit. I just want to get that kind of in place, and then I'll be able to get the top bolt tightened down. This top slot has a little bit of a give to it, so snug this one up. All right, with the two hanger bolts secured down, we can now do this one here. And the last part right here I need to do is just tighten up this clamp that holds my exhaust guard on. All right, now the rear plastic is ready to go back on. The bigger one goes on the seat. Two smaller ones go on the plastic. All right, with the exhaust installed, everything put back together, let's get it fired up and see how it sounds. All right, guys, you heard the sound. It sounds awesome. There's a difference in that sound. I'm going to play the clips at the end of the video, kind of one after another, so you can kind of get a feel for how the sound is. But there's definitely more sound to this new exhaust. Not only is the sound going to be a little bit better, it's lighter, performance is going to be better, and the look is awesome. I think the look looks awesome on this bike. With the carbon fiber, that blue anodized titanium piece really kind of matches the whole blue piece. And just kind of really makes the bike really pop as far as the look goes. So pretty excited about this. Stay tuned to the channel. We're going to go out and do some riding videos, and I'll give you some more impressions once I've had some time to really try it out, get behind the controls here, and get it out in the desert. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.